Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an invisible left-leaning increase on the purl side. It's right here. Now to work this increase, insert your right hand needle into the stitch below the first stitch on your left hand needle. Now it's much easier to go from back to front than from front to back, so this is the way I do it. Now pick up that stitch and place it on your left hand needle like this. Now purl it, slip it off the left hand needle, bring the yarn to the front and slip the following stitch purlwise. And let's try this one more time. The yarn is in front of you. With your right hand needle, pick up that stitch under the first stitch of your left hand needle and then place it on the left hand needle like this. Now purl it, slip it off the left hand needle and slip the following stitch purlwise. And here are the increases. There's one and there's the second one, and this is what they will look like once a few rows are worked.